Got some geese flying around in circles out here, guys. I don't think they know where they're going. Yeah, they've like circled around here like 3 or 4 times. They're trying to figure out where to land, I guess. Can't really see them on camera, but you can hear them. Yeah, they've circled around our house like a few times. Kind of weird. All right, you guys. So, if you like variety like that and different things, just tune into my channel, and yeah, you won't be disappointed. Lately, I've been ranting and raving about a lot of stuff. So, if you want to check that out, then yeah, just watch Sarah Tree.